Hey there, welcome to Fluency Goals. I'm Mandeep, and in today's lesson, we are going to learn trending corporate jargons. What are corporate jargons? Corporate jargon refers to specialized language used by corporates, business professionals within a corporate or workplace setting. Now, it includes terms, phrases, acronyms that often replace more straightforward and universally understood expressions. Now, every corporate might have their own jargon, specialized jargons related to the fields, but in this lesson, we'll be covering the idiomatic expressions that are trending right now. So, let's begin the learning, shall we? Lock, stock, barrel. Lock, stock, barrel. This phrase is used to convey the idea of everything or the whole lot. So when somebody says lock, stock, and barrel, they mean everything encompassing every part of an item, situation, or business. So it's a vivid way to express complete commitment and thoroughness. The merger was successful and the new entity absorbed the company lock, stock, and barrel. In this case, the entire business, including its operations, staff, and brand, became part of the larger organization. When push comes to shove, when push comes to shove, this idiom is used to describe a situation where things become critical and urgent. So, a situation that is critical and it needs an urgent handling, and a decision is to be made necessarily. A quick decision and action is to be made in that situation. So, to refer to that situation, you can use this idiom when push comes to shove. Now, push represents here the force, the pressure that is generally applied in a situation. But shoving involves a forceful action than pushing. It requires far more force than just pushing. So, when push comes to shove means that now the situation requires a forceful action and it will simply not do with the usual way the things are done. It's a way to emphasize that the things have reached a critical point. We have tried negotiating with the supplier, but if they don't budge on the price, push will come to shove and we'll have to explore other options. So this means that the drastic decisions will be made if the supplier doesn't agree to the prices. Our marketing campaign hasn't yielded the expected results, and when push comes to shove, we'll need to revise our strategy. So this emphasizes the need for a decisive change when faced with disappointing outcomes. So quid pro quo. Quid pro quo. This phrase is used to describe a situation where something is given or received in exchange for something else. It's a Latin term that translates to something for something. So, in business and legal context, it means a mutually beneficial arrangement or trade off. So, one party gives the other parties something in exchange of something else. The two companies reached a quid pro quo agreement. One would provide technical expertise and the other would grant access to their customer base. Now, in this scenario, both the parties benefit from the exchange of each other's services. Now, here in this context, the use of this idiom was a positive one, but it can be used in the negative context also to signal impropriety or corruption. The manager demanded a quid pro quo, favorable performance reviews in return for covering up employees' mistakes. So here it signals corruption on part of manager where he is seeking favorable performance reviews and the employee benefits as his mistake doesn't come out. Brick and mortar expansions. Brick and mortar expansions. Brick and mortar. What is brick and mortar? Brick and mortar here refers to the physical building, the physical stores. So when a company mentions brick and mortar expansion, it means it is talking about expanding the physical stores or outlets. So brick and mortar expansion of a business will include opening new stores, new outlets at different locations, places where customers can have a physical shopping experience. So the customers can directly interact with products and sales staffs and see items before buying. Our strategy involves a hybrid approach. Online sales complemented by brick and mortar stores. So here the company involves leveraging both online and offline physical sales channels to create a comprehensive customer experience. Blue sky thinking. Blue sky thinking. Now, this idiom is used to refer to an open-minded and creative approach to problem solving and idea generation. So during brainstorming sessions or innovative workshops and strategy meetings, the facilitators may use this term blue sky thinking to signal to refer to the out-of-box ideas, to refer to creative and open approach towards problem solving and generating new ideas. To tackle the decline in customer satisfaction, we'll begin with blue sky thinking to ensure we consider every possible solution, no matter how unconventional. By embracing blue sky thinking, the company was able to identify new market opportunity and stay ahead of the competition. Dotting the I's and crossing the T's. So when you are writing quickly and you sometimes you don't put a dot to the I's and you don't cross the T's. So if you decide to go through all of the text to see that you have dotted the I's and crossed the T's, well, it means that you are being meticulous in your planning and paying attention to every minute detail. So when someone says that they are dotting the I's and crossing the T's, they mean they are meticulously ensuring that everything is correct and complete, even down to the smallest detail. This term is often used when finalizing documents, contracts, or to talk about any task where precision matters. The contract is almost ready. We just need to dot the I's and cross the T's before presenting it to the client. Low-hanging fruit. Low-hanging fruit. Low-hanging fruit refers to tasks, projects, or issues that are simple, easy to resolve, and yield rapid results. So these tasks, they are very simple, very easy, and they bring quick results. So imagine a fruit hanging low on a tree. It's easy to pick because it is within reach. Let's prioritize the low-hanging fruit in our marketing strategy, tackling the easy wins first to boost our initial success. Our team identified a few low-hanging fruit opportunities in sales process, simple changes that can lead to immediate revenue gains. So that was all about the trending corporate jargons. I hope that you are able to use this in your business meetings, in your office scenarios. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Happy learning.